Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to twist the electric wire together, proper joint and proper way. So I will show first a couple of twisting way that we do usually and we are not succeeding. So how you can twist this easy way, like bring together and then twist like this, right? Like this, twisting. Okay, what we do, look what I'm gonna do. When you pull it both side, and what is gonna happen? Look, see, it comes out. So this is the easy way we do, and we're not gonna succeed. But another way, easy way to just we do that like that, and twisting like this, both sides, and like this, as you see. So still, this is not the proper way how to twist the electric wire. No, so if I pull it both sides and it comes out as you see. But there is a better way you can twist the wire. I will show you that now. You just both sides it should be this longer, like maybe 2 inch both sides. And what are you gonna do? Yeah, what are you gonna do? Just bring together like this, right? Like this. As you see, like this, like that. Then, what do you do? Just make it up this one a little bit. What do you do? Couple of wires you will get from here. Maybe, I mean, it's as much as you can, like as much. That's much. What you do? Just twist the cable. Let me see another way we have. Look at this side. Right. This is this way. This is the other way. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? Twisting to this side. As you see, you twist this side as much as you can. There, all the way down. Then just that's it. See, one side we're done. Let's go the other side. Other side, you're gonna do the same way. To get the little bit of wire. And this is this side. This is the other side, okay? Now, twist this side now. Twisting. Yeah, this is gonna take time, but it's proper way to twist the wire together. So this is it. See, this way. Then start another other way. One more time. Divide the three. 3 times we can do. This is the next time we're gonna do this much. Okay, get it back, get it, Then, one more time twisting. Twist. As you see, we continue twisting. One after another. Okay, this is the cause. Exactly. So, say, twisting the other. Now, go the other way. Make it half. Yeah. This is much. Okay, this is enough. Whatever you see the wire here, the white three, and then twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. So yeah, the other way, what I showed before I started, it was so easy to twist and comes out easily. See, this is this side I did. This side, nah, whatever left, I will go ahead and twist it again. As you see, you can tell now it's how strong is it. Then the other side, twisting. Always takes time. Proper way to do things always takes time, right? Now this is the way it is. As you see now, like closely, sorry, like that. See, do you see this? I am pulling, see? Pulling, nothing happening. Pulling, nothing happening. See? So strong. I mean, it's very strong. You can try at your home and you will see that this is very strong. Nothing gonna, I cannot say nothing, but it's of course, it's, I cannot say nothing, but with your hand power, it's not gonna come out. Yeah, this is I can say. Then after that, what are you gonna electric tape? You can tape it over. This is the perfect. It's gorgeous. It's fantastic idea. So, thank you for watching. I hope I am helpful you guys, and see you next time with another video. Bye bye.